Okay, another part of my video tutorial video on how to shoot coin videos. Alright, I got mine on a little angle on a green background, because when you're new and somebody subs to your channel, you want at least a video up. So, they could watch the video and comment on it that they subscribed or whatnot. And I believe the subscribe will stick if there's a video on your channel. You could do a coin one or just introduce yourself or whatever. It helps you out. It looks a lot better than no video at all. You could hold up the subject you're videoing, get cartwheels off it, or, if you got a Morgan, just get it in focus. Just tap the screen a little bit to stay in focus. Also, turn your phone on the side so you get landscape instead of upright. You get a better view when you upload it to YouTube. This is a beautiful design. It's a 2-gram fine. I won it off a giveaway. And I got a banknote. Banknotes film very well because they're not that reflective. This is even in a holder. As I was demonstrating yesterday, I could not demonstrate like I wanted to. See, I'm holding the camera this way. So I pick up my coin, put it on an angle when I'm shooting a photo, slightly like that to get a better picture of it than straight down. I found straight down shots don't show the full detail with the camera that I am using. Like that's up on an angle. It works out better when you're taking pictures. Believe it or not, I had to shoot this twice because when I put the video up, it was on sideways. I had the gotta check out the video before you upload it, edit it or whatnot. I had to figure out. Had to hold the phone the opposite way. Now, I usually hold it the other way and they come out good, but today, I don't know. It's the way I gotta hold the phone. So when I stop the video, everything will be upright instead of sideways and upside down. I've seen a lot of videos posted like that. I posted a couple like that. I just didn't feel like changing them. But, this is a nice proof. See, I'm one-handed here. It's hard for me to tap the screen for focus. So I don't want to drop the phone. But, very nice. You could set your volume control for, focus or different modes if you want, depending on what phone you got. But this is it. Now I have an overhead lighting with fluorescent bulbs in it. The globe is off the light. If I put the globe on, it would probably help a little bit with the glare, but I'm having trouble putting that darn globe on. It's a translucent globe, as I explained yesterday. But that's getting real technical. You don't really need all that just to shoot a video. Alright, so that's how I do it. And good luck doing your first video. Take care.